remember that Natwargarh is situated near a mountain. On that mountain, there lives a very dangerous dinosaur. His name is Dinosaur. That dinosaur is a big headache for me, I tell you.
But, you have such a big army and all modern weapons, Nattu.
Dinosaur's skin is so hard that ordinary arrows and spears just bounce off it. Nothing happens to him. It is said that if you cross the river that flows by Natwargarh and reach the other side, right? On that side, there is a cave, and inside the cave, there is a great pool of lava. Do you understand me? There is right in the center of the pool, there is a tiny little island on which a magical spear is stuck.
Bhim, you must leave right now. Go and retrieve that magical spear, defeat that Dinosaur, and bring peace to the people of Natwargarh. Go!
As you say, Your Majesty.
Come, a warm welcome. Oh, so you are the famous boy from Dholakpur, right? The great warrior Abhim. Welcome.
And I am the great and powerful Kalia.
Yes, that nobody has the courage to go inside that cave. It is supposed to be full of dangers, you know.
No matter what the danger is, I will crush it single-handedly.
Very well, brave children. Here is the cave.
Wait, Kalia. These holes in the walls don't seem right to me. We must tread very carefully in this cave. What's this?
Oh no, Bhim! This cave is full of life-threatening dangers.
Watch out, friends!
Be careful.
Careful! Stay behind me.
Now what, Bhim? The way ahead is blocked.
But where is this light coming from? Let's check.
Hey, look! The magical spear!
Oh, yes!
It is so grand!
Oh, so this is why getting it is so tough.
But how will we reach that spear?
Yes, I can do this. Huh? Bhim!
Oh, Bhim! What do we do now? Look! The walls are caving in! Come back here quickly, Bhim!
Follow me, everyone!
This side, come! Come on, come on!
Long live brave him! Long live brave him! Long live brave him!
Young boy, you all have shown great courage and strength. Come with me.
We have to find that troublemaker, Dinosaur. He can't be seen anywhere around. Why not enjoy the view and have some tasty fruits first? Come on, Jaggu! We want more! What kind of sound was that?
Bhim, this is just a baby dinosaur.
Listen, please stop, Dinosaur. Hey, Dinosaur! Leave them alone, or I will. Dinosaur had started attacking my friends.
Of them were stealing my yummy fruits.
Your fruits?
Yes, all the fruits and the bamboo shoots that grow on this mountain are my food. But of that, the villagers come here and eat up half of my...
Oh, so this is it. Okay, fine, Dinosaur. I will solve the problems between you and the villagers today itself. One more challenge.
Sure. Look carefully, everyone.
What is up there?
A very beautiful bird. Whoever gets it down first wins the game and gets to take the bird home.
No.
Where is Kalia?
I'm up here. No, Kalia. Why? I am about to win.
I am a fairy. I have a lot of unique powers. And the sorceress of the forest wants them for herself. She has used a magical key to put a lock on my hands. That's why I can't fly. I must find that key soon. Otherwise...
Hiding here.
Nothing will happen to you here. Eat up.
Looking for something.
What was that?
We must do something about it.
We can't do anything. That bird is the princess of us fairies. If that sorceress manages to take away the powers of the princess, then we won't be able to do anything.
Nothing of that sort will happen. First of all, we must stop that sorceress from stealing the powers of the princess.
Hey, what are you doing here?
I have come to take the bird away.
Let's see if you can. Try.
If I can't take the bird away, I will take whatever I can.
Hey, wait! Hey, boy! Attack! Hey, stop! Where do you think you are going?
Beam! No!
I just have to switch on the miracle ball and I will have the fairies' powers. Then.
One, two, three.
No! 98, 99, 100. Are you ready now? Not as yet. Ready, guys?
Not so fast.
I'm coming now. Uh-huh. Aha. Where is everyone hiding? I could always catch them so easily.
This technique is not going to work. I have got to use my brain a bit and use this yummy laddu. Oh, I found one last laddu was left in my bag, friends. Well, this is the only one I have. Aha! Hey Bheem, you're out.
Anyone would do this for such a nice laddu.
I agree completely. Now this last laddu is all mine. Mine.
Well, not so easily, Jaggu.
Finally, this laddu is in the hands of its rightful owner.
In that case, I should be its only rightful owner.
So, you better admit that today is not your day, Bheem. Give up now. The game is over.
The game is not over yet, my friend. Because I don't give up that easily. Well, we may have just one laddu. But if you agree, we all can share it.
It's come! It's come! We have a good news from Master Cook. They've called Ma to take part in the competition.
Friends, now let's see in this very first round what all our contestants have prepared out here. So here we have the result of the semi-final. There are 3 finalists. The one who prepared yummy food, Miss Lily. The one who prepares tasty snacks real fast, Mr. Shaukin. And it's Tuntun Auntie. Yay! Here at the very outset, I have a question for you 3 finalists. Tell me, why are you fond of cooking?
Ooh, I like cooking because it helps me to express all my feelings and emotions.
Oh, you see, actually, everyone around me used to make such tasteless and unappetizing food that it made me think I will show everyone how to make tasty and delicious food.
As far as cooking is concerned, I'm not quite fond of cooking.
What?
Yes, but whenever I see a smile on the kids' faces after eating the food prepared by me, it gives me a great amount of satisfaction. So I try to improve my cooking.
Now, you 3 finalists will prepare one of your favorite dishes, and that will finally make us decide who is the winner of our Master Cook.
Okay, the container of special ghee goes for a toss. Well, one doesn't know how. Yeah.
I'm very confident that in the final round, Tuntun Auntie's laddus will create magic.
Well, I just hope so. But where's my container in which I'd kept ghee?
Just see carefully, Ma. Maybe it's there, in one of your other bags. Here's the jar which has white powder in it.
But this is salt.
What? I can't believe it. Without my special ghee and sugar, how will I manage to get the special flavor in my laddus?
Just don't worry, Tuntun Auntie. Believe me, there's still enough time for the final round. So I'll just step out right now and buy your special ghee and sugar once again. If this boy really goes and gets the special ghee and sugar, then our entire plan will go for a toss.
Well, I will not let that happen at any cost.
It's the matter of a Dholakpur's pride, Tuntun Auntie.
It's not only the pride of Dholakpur. This laddu is the pride of our nation. Tuntun Auntie is definitely our master.
Tuntun Auntie's laddu is the love of our life. It is the pride of our Dholakpur. Hey, Tuntun Auntie's laddu.
Gosh, what's the matter today? It's so hot.
Different kinds of magazines.
Okay, come on. Let me buy one of the magazines. Well, that one.
There you go.
This will help me to pass my time well. And I can also use it as a fan.
Tuntun Auntie, please give 4 laddus. Looks like you've got an eye flu. Please take care of yourself.
Huh? This is not an eye flu. It's a modern fashion. Well, I've got another idea.
Look at all the jewelry that she's wearing.
Huh?
Not a single soul around. Let's attack her at once.
How dare you! I'll teach you a good lesson. No one can act smart with Tuntun Auntie. You'll cry for the rest of your life. Anybody around?
We are here!
Ma, what kind of clothes are you wearing?
Am I not looking smart and modern?
But, Ma...
Today you are not looking like an auntie at all. Look at you.
So, today my sale has shot up like anything. Money is just pouring in. Pots and pots of money. La 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 la. Ouch! Someone, please help! Help! You just don't need to worry. I have thought of something constructive so that along with fashion, we are also able to grow in our business without any obstruction.
Now what?
High-heeled sandals. Which helps you to remove things from any height. Well, then you wouldn't need a stool or anything.
If we snatch away her purse, she will not be able to stop us.
Oh, come. Just try and steal my purse if you have the guts.
Hope those kids are not around somewhere.
Forget the kids. Today you have something else.
Mummy, we had it.
Ma, hope everything is all right with you. These goons.
So, didn't I say my fashion would be so useful?
Huh?
I gained so much with the help of these high-heeled sandals.
Bheem, let us camp here for the night.
Hey, what's this?
You naughty lamb. How long will you make this old man of yours run around like this? What are you kids doing over here?
We have come here from Dholakpur on a holiday.
Holiday? And that too at this mountain? All you can see out here is just rocks.
Actually, this was the only place at Dholakpur which we had not seen ever. That is why, uncle.
I must leave. Bela!
Was that a lamb or a lioness?